it's Carly, and we're gonna do a what I eat in a day, but let's start this off, right, by doing a shot together. Hold on. Okay, when I say doing a shot together, I mean doing a vitamin D and zinc shot. So this is from the brand Suja, not sure how to say it. It's organic, and it's a vitamin D and zinc shot with reishi, and probiotics. You guys, this is gonna probably like want to kill me, but I have been feeling a little sick. So I've been sick for a good like 2 weeks now, and I'm finally starting to get better. But I'm still just a tiny bit underneath the weather, so like let's fix this. So let's do a shot together. If you guys have one, pull it out and do it with me. Or if you have a little vodka, tequila, you can do that too. No judging here. Okay, this is my first time ever doing this, and you guys get to witness this, so. Oh God, I'm not even gonna smell it. Okay, here we go. Whew. Okay, it's a little spicy. I don't know if there's some cayenne in there or what, but whoo! Okay, that's done. Okay, now we did that, now we can get to the rest of the video. I used to be a grocery haul, so I figured you guys might want to see what I got. I always enjoy seeing what other people get as well, especially for like their healthy what I eat in a day videos. So I got this Farmhouse Hearty white bread. I like to also get the Dave's Killer bread. There's a lot of stuff here. I also got some shrimp because I'm gonna make a shrimp Cajun pasta dish. These are some street taco shells because I'm gonna make some street tacos. Love street tacos. These are my protein packed power waffles, the buttermilk and vanilla flavor. I love these. These have 12 grams of protein in them, so it's a good way to sneak in your protein. And I love to just toast these in the toaster and put on fresh berries. Okay, this is the only kind of peanut butter I like to eat, which is either the Justin's peanut butter, naturally delicious, or the 100% peanuts peanut butter, which that one's my absolute favorite because it literally only has peanuts in it. I got some bagel thins because it honestly just makes me feel better about myself, and I feel like if I get bagel thins instead of regular bagels, that like it's healthier. It's just something I tell myself. I got some organic pinto beans to go with my little like chipotle bowl I make at home. Taco seasoning for the tacos. I got some Muenster, I'm probably saying that wrong, thin sliced cheese. This is just for sandwiches, they're not for me. Bologna goes with the sandwiches. I don't eat bologna, but still want to show you what I got. And then I get turkey bacon. I actually prefer turkey bacon over regular bacon. The taste and it being healthier for you. So we try to eat mostly organic. It's not all organic, but we try to make sure that we get what we can organic. So I got some organic air grilled chicken tenders. These will also probably just be used to throw in the air fryer to make with my little chipotle bowls. And we also got some organic ground beef. It's 90% lean, 10% fat. So these are all organic as well. So we got organic blackberries, organic raspberries, organic strawberries, and then the grapes, I don't think they had organic. So these are just fresh, red, seedless grapes. So I got like 4 of these coconut Siggy yogurts. They have, how much protein? 15 grams of protein. The only thing that's not good is they do have sugar in them. So take with that what you will. But I love these for breakfast to make sure like I'm not like starving like an hour later. Then I got 2 flavored ones. So I got the Siggy's peach ones and the Siggy's, oh, I got another coconut. So I also got a Siggy's mixed berries and acai. I also like to have a juice once in a while. This is my favorite green juice from the store. It's from the brand, I think it's Suja. And this is the organic cold pressed green delight. It has apple, banana, mango, lemon, and kale in it. This is paired with spinach, spirulina, chlorella, and barley grass. And then I also got myself some shots. So I never take these, but I'm trying to be healthier and I want to give these a shot. Okay, so this is from the same brand, the Suja brand. So I got one for digestion. It has ginger and probiotics. And then I got one that's vitamin D and zinc shot with reishi and probiotics. And then I got one that's an immunity elderberry shot with zinc and probiotics. Zinc is really good for you if you're sick, by the way. But that was everything for my grocery haul. So I got all this at, it's a store called H-E-B in Texas. I'm not sure where else it is located, so you may or may not have heard of it. But all of these products you can get from any store. So we're gonna start with breakfast, and for breakfast, I'm going to make these protein-packed power waffles. These are the buttermilk and vanilla ones. They have 12 grams of protein, and we're gonna put some berries on them and some agave and make some turkey bacon. So let's get into it. Okay, so I like to take 2 slices of this turkey bacon and I cut it in half with kitchen scissors. So it's like I have 4 pieces of bacon, even though I'm only having 2. And then I'll throw them on the frying pan. And I also love making turkey bacon because it cooks so much faster. A little bit different now, a little bit more put together. I went ahead and did like my hair and makeup. It's time for lunch, but I'm not feeling super hungry, so I'm gonna make myself a nice smoothie that's gonna help me stay full until it's time for dinner, and then I'll show you guys how I do that. So let's get to making the smoothie. Okay, so I'm gonna make my almond smoothie. It's super good. So it's gonna be, you can use coconut milk, almond milk, or a mixture, but I'm gonna use my coconut milk, blueberries, my peaches, strawberries, and bananas combination, all frozen fruit. Peanut butter, it's just peanuts and oil, all that's in it. A date, I said oats, and some chia seeds, and almond extract, and that's it. There's nobody else. I think this is so good. You need to try it. I'll leave the recipe down below. The almond extract, and it gives it like this kind of like cherry flavor almost. So good. It's healthy. Let me know your thoughts on it if you make this at home.
Let me stay.